Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Merry Christmas to everybody. It's Christmas Day. Going to share some stuff today. Not doing any cleanups or anything, just sharing my Christmas blessings with everybody. I posted pictures of a few of these knives on Facebook already. I'm going to start out with this Opinel. Number 8. I've already cleaned these things up. You guys have seen my cleanup videos before. You know the routine. Most of it didn't need much cleaning. But this here's Opinel number 8. I posted a video of it. Come with the original box, original paperwork. It had this date written inside, 11/14 of 80. When I posted a picture on Facebook, I said it was an 80s knife. Upon further research and review of this date stamp or a tag stamp there, I've determined this is the 1960 to 62, based on the fact that the thumb is up on the hand, the small cuff in that. I believe that's a 1960 to 62. This knife's never been sharpened, used, or anything. It's brand new, still in the box, which is very, very cool. And that's how it's going to stay. I have others if I want to use them. So there was that knife to add to my collection. The next knife that was gifted to me at work. Here's the next knife, cleaned up, shined up. The video or the picture I posted on Facebook, I hadn't cleaned it yet. This knife is absolutely gorgeous, shined up very nicely. It is a Camis knife, Camis, New York, USA, long line Camis. It's a adventure Boy Scout knife, cleaned up, absolutely beautiful. Got the lanyard here, and I shared with some people when you have the full-size lanyard, you kind of hard to capture on a video, but you put your hand through, whether it's an axe or a knife, so the knife is hanging backwards. You turn it, and then you grip the knife. If you drop the knife, when it falls, it automatically turns to the dull side. So less likely to get cut, which is very cool. But this knife cleaned up absolutely spectacular. I love it. Great half-stop Staglon handles. Not the original sheath, but sheath nonetheless. Very cool knife. I love it. The other knife, Scrim Shaw, original packaging. Here's something I did kind of discovered. See the date on the inside of that Opinel, November 14, 1980. This box had November 14, 79, so I think these were most likely Christmas gifts, or the guy bought them on the same day, 1 year apart, kind of think birthday. But this one here, original packaging, never been used, sheath never been carried. The knife is absolutely gorgeous. It cleaned up fantastically. I mean, there was nothing but just a little bit of discoloration from the sheet. This box lining is sort of decaying and falling apart. I am going to rebuild this so that it's not going to. I have some red felt and some foam. I'll rebuild that insert. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Never sharpened, never carried. liner lock. And it's brand new. Never been used. So I really like that one. Wipe those fingerprints off. It's a Scrim Shaw. I got a couple buffaloes on it there. Really love that knife. Don't forget this. All right, so there was that one. All right, and then there was this little knife here, this little case knife. And I saw Eli, over Big E over there, the knife nut. He was showing one of these today. This thing also never been carried, never been sharpened or used. It's a fingerprint magnet. There's some minor staining. It's not rust, but it's just the stainless steel got a little stain from the humidity here in Florida. But that knife is as cherry as it gets. Super clean, half stops. Red bone, gorgeous knife. One of the best older case knives I own. Super happy with that one. Okay, so those were gifts from work. Here's another one that I cleaned up last week. This had been laying in a box. I hadn't got to cleaning it up yet. Nice folding hunter. Again by Camis. Blade was pretty tore up. We got it sharpened up, cleaned up. Great skinning blade. Has a few grinder marks on it, or someone, a Dremel or some other grinder stone, skipped down the side of it. But nothing that detracts too much from the look or the usability. Has a number of scars where I've used it for a hammer. I don't know why people use these big knives as hammers, but you can see the marks all down the back of there and on the end of this where they were beating on something with it. You know, just because it's heavy, folks, doesn't make it a hammer. This was a project I've had for a while. I just recently cleaned it up. I wanted to share that one with you. This is going to be a sheath project coming up. But this morning, I got this beautiful little buck knife for Christmas from my daughter. Great little EDC. I classify this as a little gentleman's knife. It's a little mini Stockman type knife. And the main blade. And this little spay blade. And I believe this is the coping style blade. Nice little burl wood handles on it. Absolutely gorgeous little pocket dropper carry around. This will be added to my gift collection. And then she also got me this Smith & Wesson little tactical style knife. Got the flipper on it there. This is from their Extreme Ops line. A good little EDC liner lock. It has the thumb tabs. I need to adjust a pivot. I just threw it across the room. Have to adjust a pivot for flipping it, but it still works. I'm not the most expert knife thumb flipper guy, but that's a pretty cool knife. Partially serrated blade. Got a little glue on it from cutting packages this morning. Fantastic black on black deep carry pocket clip. Good tactical everyday carry. And then I have this knife. knife set. Excuse me. This is a set of Western knives, commemorative knives. I'll go ahead and show the big one first here. North America Hunting Club Life member, has a serial number on it. It's a Western 66, never sharpened, never carried, pristine. A little oxidation on the aluminum, but I don't even think I'm going to clean that up. I'm thinking I'm just going to throw a little bit of wax over it. I recently acquired some all-purpose wax from Rubidoux Creek. It was a little Christmas gift from him. So I'm probably going to just throw some of that on here to keep it protected and pristine. And that knife comes with this little bird and trout knife, also serialized, the same serial number, so it's a matching set. Again, never carried, never used it, except for cutting some tape this morning. I can't resist. I mean, I got to use it at least once for something. So cut some tape this morning. Again, just a little, this is a little sheath rash on there. And I'm not going to store it in the sheath. That's how I purchased it. But and you can see it's wrote in there. Never been carried. This is a present I bought for myself. They had $100 on this set, and I talked them into a half-price discount, and couldn't be happy. To me, it's worth $50 any day of the week. The sheath is marked with that North American Hunt Club symbol on there. So there was that. All in all, super excited, super happy. I got some great knives for my collection. Definitely in the not for sale category on these knives. They're one of these knives I may regift, but I'm not going to spill the beans on that. I might regift one of those knives. But there you go, guys. I'm hoping you have a wonderful Christmas and enjoy your time with your family and loved ones. If you're by yourself, enjoy your time with yourself. I mean, you deserve it. It's Christmas. Enjoy yourself. So until I see you all again, have a beautiful day.